Iphini likaMengameli wamajaji uLahlehliswa omele ijaji uMawumela lithe kufanele ngabe leli cala liyaqhubeka ngenxa yesasasa lalo kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ijaji uMawumela akaphilile futhi kubukeka kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi alulame kungcono hlehlisele inyanga ezayo. Lidwaba ubese ehlehlisela umhlazi 17 kuNtulikazi. Utata kaSenzo Meyiwa uNomalanga uthi kubhlungu kakhulu emndenini njengoba leli cala lokhu lihlehlisiwe njalo. Uthi kuyoze kuphela iminyaka 10 kodwa ke uSenzo akabutholi ubulungiswa.
I had a meeting with the legal representatives of all the accused who had to consider what we discussed and to take instructions so that this matter should proceed and be finalized as soon as possible. The reason why I'm appearing today is because my colleague, Judge Mawumela, is not available due to ill health and may not be available for a long time, subject to what his medical doctors may say. Your matter is postponed to the 17th of July. The trial will proceed from that date. It may proceed for the whole term.
It's very emotional, kakhulu, especially kuthina as a family. As you know, we are traveled each and every time we've got mixed feelings about everything in the trial, and it's very painful because even with the hope namhlanje must be like this trial is without any postponements. Ziningi izinto ezama-distractions kule trial of which you don't know ukuthi kahle kahle kanti kakade kwenzakaleni yini le ngakusenza yenzile edala ukuthi angayitholi justice until kuze kuphela 10 years.